What's going on, everyone? So I've been using Gin Amber Beauty's real individual stainless steel dermaroller for a while now. As you know, I've actually been featured on her pages as well. And you can see that they're individual needles. What I like is they're see-through, so you can actually, see for proof that it's not bullshit. But as you know, I was promoting a brand for a while now, and that brand was called Copenhagen Grooming. Now let me just, don't try that at home. Their dermarollers are fake. They're not little spinny titanium wheels. They're individual needles you can see inside. And these are stainless steel. So, wow. After all this time, they've just been these little fake needles, individual needles, my ass. I can't believe I was allowing that thing to puncture my skin. Look at that. Compared to Gin Amber Beauty's needles, look at that. You can tell that